All right, we've been dying to share this one with you guys. The team here at Flitz has been hard at work over the last several months, and we're super excited to finally be able to unveil our project to all of you. So without further ado, this is the brand new look for Flitz. Our redesigned 16-ounce round bottle and updated label system. For nearly 50 years, Flitz has been providing powerful and effective products to help you clean, polish, and protect the things that you care about. But we felt like we needed to take a leap forward when it came to our product line. We wanted something cleaner, easier to use, and more intuitive while still delivering the same performance that you expect from Flitz. The first change that we decided to make was the bottle itself. Our new round 16-ounce bottle is easier to handle, easier to store, and honestly just looks a little better on the shelf too. But the biggest change was our label design itself. One of the most common feedbacks that we get from our customers, especially the ones who know us for our legendary metal polish paste, is that they had no idea that we had so many more products that we offer. We wanted to help address that on our new label design, as well as make the label as amazing as the product itself is. So we decided to add a colored strip to each of our labels. Flitz's core system of clean, polish, and protect is now visibly shown on the labels with each different color. Our cleaning products will now all have a white strip on the label that denotes step 1 and the word clean in the label. Our polishes will have a light blue color, which you might recognize as the color of our metal polish paste, as well as the word polish in it. And lastly, all of our protectant products will have a black strip with the word protect on the inside. So whether you're looking to grab a cleaner, polish, or a protectant, you'll know exactly what step you're on and what the next step might be to help you continue to protect those things that you care about. You'll also notice that we added an updated Flitz logo to these labels as well. We wanted the logo to also take a leap forward and to help reflect where we're looking to go as a brand. Now, all of these changes, this is more than just a new look for Flitz. It's hopefully a better way to use Flitz. Just a quick note, several of our products have already begun to ship with the new bottle and the new label, but the full family of products will make the switch as we phase out our old bottles. Clean, polish, protect. Welcome to the next generation of Flitz.